amazing also today on the 17th of July 2025, almost the others here.
Asuntoskehtiö Tammelan Puistokatu 34.
Staircase B. I'm not sure with which one I got here, so it's AOB. It's well filmed above,
Yeah.
just in case. So we built in 1974, the capacity is 3880 and the capacity is 4 per society. Where I'm saying Tammela, Tampere, tämä Force, become Finland. And faster.
Yeah.
Doesn't need, it's not needless.
Yeah. Inspekteert pakje vai inspekteert meidän autossa on descriptis.
I love this sound system.
Same.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's try also this staircase A just in case.
That's